What's up, everybody? In this video, we are going to read a serial output from the Arduino into a Node-RED program. Being able to read data from the Arduino means that we can take the data created on a physical piece of hardware and integrate it into a separate program. We can visualize the data or save it to a database. This is the start of being able to make an Internet of Things, or IoT, connected device. In order for the Node-RED program to work properly, you need to ensure you have completed the previous video and uploaded the sketch to the Arduino. The sketch reads the value of a potentiometer and prints it to serial. Ensure the Arduino is plugged in and working. When you test it in the Arduino IDE, ensure you have the same baud rate of 57,600 as we have in our sketch. Also, make sure the Arduino IDE is closed when you complete the video. Only one application can connect to and read the Arduino serial data at once. Ensure you have Node-RED running and open it in a browser. You should see our previous flow we created. Click on the plus and create a new flow. Double-click on Flow 1. Change the name to Serial Read. In the description, put created by and enter your name. Click Done. Double-click on the flow we created in a previous video and delete it. If you look at our nodes in the left-hand column, we do not have a serial option. We'll need to download and install additional nodes. If you open a browser to https://flows.node-red.org, you will see the Node-RED library. This is a resource where you can find new nodes that other people have created or are using in their work. In the search library input, type serial port. Select the node-red-node-serial port option. It will give us details about how to install the nodes and how to use it. We can download new nodes from the Node-RED interface. Go back to your Node-RED flow in your browser and click on the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Select Manage Palette. In the window that slides out, select the Install tab. This will let us search for and install new nodes. I should also note that you can use the terminal or command prompt to install new nodes if you want as well. With the Install tab selected, search for Serial Port. Next, click the Install button. You will see a pop-up warning. Just go ahead and click Install. If all goes well, you should see a green message indicating that the serial port nodes have been installed. If you scroll down the nodes on the left-hand side, you will see under Network there are 3 serial nodes: Serial In, Serial Out, and Serial Request. If the install was unsuccessful, you will need to install the command line tools for Mac or the Windows build tools for PC. I have links in the description for more info about this. To start off, we are going to use the Serial In node. Drag a Serial In node onto the workspace. Next, drag a Debug node onto the workspace. Connect the Serial In node to the Debug node. Ensure the Arduino is connected to a USB port and double-click the Serial In node. We'll need to connect to the Arduino. Click the pencil icon next to the Add New Serial Port text. Click on the magnifying glass and you should see the Arduino listed. If you are on a Mac, it will show up as tty.usb modem with a number at the end. On a PC, it will be COM with a number at the end. Select the Arduino. We need to ensure that the baud rate is the same as what we set in the Arduino sketch. Ensure the baud rate is set to 57,600. Click Add. Now you will see the address of the Arduino listed. Click Done. Click Deploy and ensure the debug window is selected. Turn the dial on the potentiometer and you should see a value between 0 and 1023. Awesome! We are now reading information from the Arduino into a Node-RED sketch. This may not seem like a huge step, but it is. Think about this. We now have the ability to take an input from a sensor connected to the Arduino and read this information into another piece of software. Have a look at your terminal or command prompt. you should see messages saying that the serial port has been opened or closed. Let's shut down Node Red. Type Ctrl+C in the terminal or command prompt. You will see that the serial connection has been closed. Load Node Red by typing Node-Red and hitting Enter. You will see that Node Red automatically connects to the Arduino. Node Red remembers the address of the Arduino. There is a catch. Each USB port on your computer has a different address. So if you plug the Arduino into a different USB port, you will have to set up your connection again. One last thing. Open the Arduino IDE with your Node Red program running. Try clicking the serial monitor. You will see an error that the port is busy. This is because you can only have one program connected to the Arduino using serial at once. So if you need to update your Arduino sketch, you need to close the connection with Node Red. At the end of this video, you should have installed the serial port node into Node Red, connected to the Arduino, and have been able to see the values show up in the debug window.